What is the difference between shadow marks and crop marks? Have you ever wondered how archaeologists discover hidden treasures beneath the earth? Today, we will discuss two fascinating surface indications: shadow marks and crop marks. Both reveal the presence of buried archaeological features, but they arise from different causes and conditions. Let's break it down. Shadow marks occur due to physical differences in ground height. These variations are often created by archaeological remains like earthworks, banks, or ditches that still rise above the surrounding terrain. When the sun is low in the sky, such as during early morning or late afternoon, these features cast long shadows. This effect highlights subtle changes in the landscape, making shadow marks visible. To see shadow marks clearly, it is best to view them from an elevated position or from the air. This perspective maximizes the contrast between light and shadow. Unlike crop marks, shadow marks do not depend on vegetation or soil moisture. They rely solely on how light interacts with the terrain's shape. On the other hand, crop marks are a different story. They arise from differences in vegetation growth caused by buried archaeological features. For instance, a buried ditch may retain more moisture than the surrounding soil. This leads to crops growing taller and ripening later above it. Conversely, buried walls or compacted sill may restrict root growth, resulting in stunted or discolored crops. These variations create visible patterns that outline the shapes of subsurface features. Crop marks are most easily seen from the air, especially during dry periods when water stress makes these growth differences more pronounced. Unlike shadow marks, crop marks can indicate features that are completely buried and leveled beneath plowsoil, making them essential for discovering sites that are not visible on the surface. In practical terms, shadow mark analysis helps archaeologists identify sites with surviving earthworks or ruins. Meanwhile, crop marks are key for detecting buried features that are invisible at ground level. Both methods play a complementary role in aerial archaeology, allowing researchers to map and understand archaeological sites more effectively. So, while shadow marks reveal features that are partially preserved above ground, crop marks show us what lies beneath the surface. Each technique has its unique strengths, making them both important tools in the field of archaeology.